Hi, I'm Charlie Gawley from Tyline. We're here today to talk about our Gateway Audio over IP edge appliances. Our Gateway range of codecs speak many audio over IP languages. As an example, we have Livewire Plus, Wheatnet IP, Dante, Ravenna, AES67, ST2110-30, ST2022-7, hitless redundancy, Ember Plus, and NMOS. With the exception of Wheatnet IP and Dante, all the other standards are natively out of the box. So here, what we have is an interoperability setup, whereby we have a Behringer X32 with a Dante expansion card talking directly to our gateway codec here. In addition to that, we have a Wheatnet IP blade that is talking to a gateway that has a Wheatnet IP card enabled in the unit. And then we also have a gateway that is talking Livewire plus over the same audio over IP network. So within the one appliance, you have the ability of talking any one of these audio over IP standards. For more information, contact your Tyline dealer or visit tyline.com.